Today we're going to be changing the fuel rail pressure sensor. That's code PO193 for our 2005 through 2009 Ford Mustang. All you're going to need is a Torx driver with a T30 bit on it. Let's get started. Your fuel rail pressure sensor is located right here, right on the fuel rail there. Okay, and 1, 2, we're going to have to take out. Get that started. And 2. Whew. So we're gonna have to take this clip out. I'm gonna use the front of my T30 and just press down on that and it pops right out. Because there's a little bit of gas that might come out, I'm gonna get a towel and I'm gonna put it right here for when I pull it out. There you go. All right, not too bad. We'll have to unclip this right here. And the smell of gas. Don't worry about the smell of gas. Yeah, it's okay. Okay. And that's how you get it out. We bought ours on the internet, off eBay actually, and it was 20 bucks. So some cost anywhere between $20 and $44, depending on where you get yours. So we're gonna take our new one, and we're gonna install it. Start with reattaching this, which went on pretty good, and lining it up. Okay, grab my screws. Put that bad boy in there. Let's get this going. Okay, hook this clip back up. Here it clip. And that's how you change the fuel rail pressure sensor on your 2005 to 2009 Ford Mustang. Again, we ordered ours on the internet, but you can go to AutoZone or any of the auto places and get yours if you have a need to get it quickly. Hope this video helped you. If it did, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.